Hey Artland, how's it going? So last week I showed you guys how to draw the Angry Meatloaf from my creation, the Food Fight characters. Now today I want to show you guys how to make another one, and this is the Bear Claw. So this would be kind of like a character that would like swipe at the aliens when they would come at them, and different things like that, kind of prevent them from getting to the next spot. So to draw the bear claw, we're going to just start by drawing a line that goes down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it up like this, like a check mark. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a nice little circle shape like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw another line that goes down and then it's going to curve up. And then I'm just going to add another circle shape right here for the other eye. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to come down like this, kind of curve again. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to come up. Then right here, I'm just going to connect this into kind of like a skinny oval shape. It's going to kind of serve as his mouth. Now right here, I'm just going to make kind of like an oval shape with a little skinny oval on top, and then I'm just going to color the rest of this in for his nose. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and comes around, and then one that just kind of goes up and down here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then I'm going to put two little spikes right there for some hair. Then I'm going to bring this down, and then right here, I want to add the ear. So I'm going to draw a line that goes up and down. It's going to kind of curve around. Little line that has a little bump, and it's going to go up and over for the inside of the ear. Then I'll add one right here, go up and then down. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve all the way around to here. And then right here, I'm going to make the paw. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up. It's going to kind of curve around like this. I'm going to make another one right here. One more little bump here. And then a big one for the paw, and then just kind of like a curved line right there. Now, I'm going to add these little curved kind of triangle shapes for the claws, and then I'm just going to color them in real quick, just so they're all black. Then right here, I'm going to add two little fangs. And then I'm just going to kind of color in a couple little black dots. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a big kind of wavy line on here for the icing of the donut. And then I'm just going to add some big circle shapes on here and some half ones for the icing, or excuse me, for the sprinkles. Add a couple more. I'm going to add a little bump right here. And then right here I'm just going to add a little circle shape inside each one. And I'm just going to color this in and then just leave a little bit white. And there you go. There is your drawing of the bear claw from Food Fight. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.